Let's be real. In Anna University, maths is not just a subject. It is a nightmare. A nightmare that has broken thousands of dreams. Mistake number 1. Treating maths like history. Listen, you cannot just read a problem. Most O students spend hours just staring at solved examples without ever picking up a pen. And in the exam hall, your brain remembers the theory, but your hand forgets the steps. And that is exactly where your 16 markers disappear. Okay, here is the secret. The 80-20 rule. 80% of your marks come from just 20% of repeated patterns. Anna University loves their blueprints. If you master the Taylor series, or the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, you have already secured your pass marks before you even touch the tough questions. Alright, here is your action plan. Number 1, stop practicing randomly. Start with the last 5 years' question papers. That is it. Number 2, fix your calculator skills. Half of you are losing marks because of silly syntax errors in the very last 10 minutes. Number 3, practice one full 16 marker every single day. Starting today. Don't just study hard. Study the pattern. Hey, don't you dare let one subject hold back your entire degree. You have worked so hard to get here. Hit subscribe right now, because tomorrow we are covering the exact Python tips you need for GE 3151. You've got this.